When you think of Turkish soup, first one comes in mind would probably be mercimek çorbası, lentil soup. We have different varieties with different lentil types and veggies, but especially in restaurants they serve this smooth and creamy golden yellow lentil soup. And I'm going to show you how you can make this comforting, easy dish at home. So let's get started. I have medium-sized pan heating. I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons olive oil and going to chop 1 medium-sized onion. The size and shape is not important because we're gonna puree everything, but we want to get some taste by sauteing the onions in olive oil. In Turkey, the widely lentil type we use is red lentils, but in this recipe, the color we are looking for comes from this yellow lentil type. So if you can find it, use this one, but it's okay to use the red lentils also. The taste will be similar. So I'm gonna use 1 cup plus 1/4 of a cup yellow lentils. I just washed it and drained. So I have some colors on my onion. I added 2 cloves of garlic. And here is a thickening, and to give some flavor, I'm adding 2 full tablespoons all-purpose flour, and I'm going to saute them all together for about 1-2 minutes until I have some nice caramel-like smell coming from the flour. If the mixture becomes too thick, you can add more olive oil or butter. And here we are. Now I'm gonna pour hot water over the mixture while stirring continuously. It is better to whisk it. And now I can add my chicken stock. It is from the freezer. Very handy. When I boil whole chicken, I freeze some of it to use for my soups like this, but it's optional. You don't have to add it. And after it melted, I add my yellow lentils. Add more hot water because the lentil will soak most of it. Season it with some salt and cook on low-medium heat until the lentils are soft. It takes about 20 minutes to soften the lentils. And now we are going to process it with a hand blender. You can also use regular blender or a food processor, but a hand blender is very easy. You don't have to move it. And traditionally, when the times we don't have blenders, we actually strain it to make a puree. You can always add more hot water if it is too thick. Mine was okay, kind of. I just wanted to clean my blender to get all the taste back to the pan, and it's almost ready. We're gonna make butter sauce to serve our soup. It will give more taste and also a prettier look. Just melt some butter in a small pan and add about half teaspoon paprika. It can be sweet or hot. And cook for 10 to 20 seconds until you have some nice red colored butter. And we are ready to serve it. These small soup bowls are actually traditional in restaurants to serve it, so I wanted to use this one. You see the yellow color, bright color. And I'm gonna drizzle some of the red sauce. And it's ready to enjoy. It doesn't have much spice in it because you get the taste of the lentils actually this way. And traditionally we serve it with some lemon wedges on side and also dried mint and oregano. So if anyone wants to pour, they just use it. So give it a try and share your photos with me from my Instagram account Turkish Food Travel. I have many different kind of soup recipes on my channel. If you are interested, you can check them too. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.